Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and this is going to be our What I Eat Wednesday video. I've been filming on a Monday, and I also have to let you know that Austin's mom and grandma are here, so some of these clips I'm probably going to just take the sound out of and voiceover, just because there's going to be tons of background noise. I don't understand how going from 2 people to 4 people in a home like quadruples the sound pollution, but it does. It just makes things so noisy in here. So today I don't have anything particularly planned ahead of time. That is my work email going off. I've just been spending the morning going through my personal to-do list and going through my work emails. I have a lot of incoming work I need to handle. Somehow this week became extremely busy, and I've got multiple projects, and one of them has to get done before Christmas Eve. Great. Just fantastic. Then as of Christmas Eve, I'm off until the new year, so I'm very excited about that. So this morning I have in my cute little birdie mug, I have to burp, ugh. Okay. I have coffee. This is like a compound burp, it keeps coming out in parts. It's very uncomfortable. But I have my coffee. I have the very, very last bit of the Califia Farms pumpkin spice creamer that I had. And then I also have a splash of soy milk, and that is what I am drinking. I also have my water here. And I am just going to continue chucking away at some to-do lists. I have a purse I want to put on Poshmark. I just put a necklace up on Poshmark. My Poshmark is always linked down below. I have a ton of stuff up there. Women's wear, men's wear, accessories, tons of stuff. And I ship very quickly. Even though the current climate of the world is not moving things quickly, it gets to the post office quickly. So yeah, that's actually one of the things I'm dealing with today on Monday. So my Kinder beauty box was meant to get here yesterday on Sunday, and it did not arrive. It is slated to get here today, so depending on when FedEx comes by, I either have to film that very quickly and turn it around and get it on YouTube, or film a different intro clip for a haul I was putting together for January and put that. I'm hoping that FedEx comes by while there's still a good amount of daylight so I can film that video and put it up, because I'd prefer to have that up today. It's what I planned on having up today, but I'm not going to stress over it, I guess. We have to be flexible right now, especially with everyone and lots of people who wouldn't necessarily order from online for packages and presents for the holidays. It's just compounded. So even UPS and FedEx are just overwhelmed with packages. And don't even get me started on the USPS and people freaking out over that. Like, they took out all the sorting machines for the election. What do you want from people? And then there's COVID, and they're working their hardest to get your stuff to you. It's just stuff, but yeah. So I'm gonna finish my coffee. I need to get some laundry started, and I have that purse I need to put on Poshmark. I have some other things I need to put on Poshmark, but I don't feel like putting in the energy and effort because they take a little more work, a little more research. And I'll be back for lunch. So as promised, here is your voiceover. So for lunch, I decided to make some pitas, and I was going to have a tofurkey Italian sausage, some Calabrian chili, hummus, the Follow Your Heart Parmesan. I was also going to add artichoke, Kalamata olive, and basil to my pita. And these were just some pitas I found in the grocery store. I read the ingredients and they were totally vegan. So That's everything shoved in there except for the sausage. I still have the sausage cooking. This was a tofurkey Italian sausage. I prefer the pesto ones, but they didn't have them at the store when I ordered, so this is the one I got. And here is our finished product. It was delicious. This is actually the second time I've made this little creation, and I really love it. It's a super fast, easy lunch. I would say not completely filling. I was hungry really early again, so yeah, maybe just have a snack on the side or some fruit. So here's dinner. I forgot to film it. I made a pesto, and then I added broccoli, Kalamata olives, and Calabrian chilies to this, and these were just the leftovers I was packing up, so I figured I would film that for you. And yeah, I make my pesto with avocado instead of olive oil, and I also add miso paste to mine. And I love the way it turns out. It is so good, very umami. I also had a glass or two of wine in my cute little wine glass last night. Austin made a pumpkin pie. I didn't eat any of that, but I figured I'd show it. I will link to that recipe down below, the one that he uses. And then I also had this wine that I had gotten from Wink, from their vegan section. I will link to Wink. I have a couple of referral codes if you're interested. And that's everything I ate. Talk to you later.